Meta is giving us 2.0 updated and upgraded avatars that are very much realistic with a specialized chip. Let's go ahead and check it out. Meta researchers built a custom chip to make photoreal avatars possible on standalone headsets. Facebook first showed off work on codec avatars back in March 2019. Powered by multiple neural networks, the avatars are generated using a specialized capture rig with 171 cameras. Once generated, they can be driven in real time by a prototype VR headset with 5 cameras, 2 internal viewing each eye, and 3 external viewing the lower face. Since then, the researchers have showed off several evolutions of the system, such as more realistic eyes, a version only requiring eye tracking and microphone input, and most recently, a 2.0 version that approaches complete realism. But driving photorealistic avatars on the mobile chipsets used in standalone, just like the Quest 2, is not no easy feature. While Meta's newest and most efficient model can only render 5 avatars at 50 frames per second on a Quest 2, this doesn't include the other side of the equation, converting the eye tracking and face tracking inputs to a codec avatar face state. So just being able to get realistic on a standalone is going to be extremely, almost close to the brink of impossibilities. But what's great about Meta Quest 2 is that they're always ahead and advanced in their standalone criteria, so I feel that they're still going to give us something that's pretty much amazing. On paper, it shows on 2022, the Custom Integrated Circuits Conference, Meta researchers presented a prototype of neural network accelerator chip that achieves energy efficient performance for running eye gaze extraction of the codec avatar model. This right here transfers data between components on mobile devices, and it requires significant energy. The custom chip is located near the eye tracking camera, inputs the main board to minimize this, and handles converting these camera inputs into a codec avatar state. The researchers point out that this could also have benefits for privacy and security, as the general purpose processors wouldn't even have enough access to the raw camera data. To be clear though, this chip overall is just an experiment. It only handles one part of the codec avatar's workload, and it's not a general solution for making the system viable on near-term standalone headsets. The regular chipset Snapdragon XR2 is still handling all of the tasks. What this demonstrates is the viability of creating custom silicon to solve problems like avatars. The idea could theoretically in the future be dramatically expanded to handle more VR specific tasks. All in all, in conclusion, standalone headsets won't get this type of situation anytime soon, this specialized chip, but who will get this specialized chip is going to be somebody like maybe Project Cambria, where they can really start moving forward into this. I feel that it can be more in an upgrade or an updated version for the hardware and software, or maybe there's going to be something like Cambria 2 coming around that's really going to help this out. So with Meta Quest 2 and Cambria looking into really specialize these avatars and bringing this whole metaverse to a conclusivity, meaning that they're going to just really enhance and really invest into the metaverse so people can really start joining, especially being, opting in for holograms and photorealistic avatars rather than just being far more into the gaming type essentials, emojis, and avatars. This is pretty cool, but it's still very, very light years ahead of its time right now, so it's not going to be the most perfect process, and you got to be on standby to see what is really going on. Y'all got to let me know what's up, man. Do y'all think Meta Quest 2 is on the right route? And we did announce in our previous videos, cheap plug, that there is Meta Quest 2, Meta Quest 3, and also Project Cambria and Project Cambria 2. So a 4 VR headset roadmap for what Meta's planning on doing, and they're planning to take over pretty soon. Y'all gotta let me know y'all's thoughts. I appreciate y'all. Peace.